Welcome back. Process to file charge sheet in Canacona Ruby residency building collapse case has been expedited. Goa government has approved to charge sheet 3 former chief officers of Canacona Municipal Council. According to sources, government will soon give its consent to charge sheet other accused government officials. Process to extradite prime accused of this case, Pradeep Singh Beering from UK, can only be initiated after filing of the charge sheet.
After tracing the whereabouts of accused builder Pradeep Singh Beering in England by the Interpol, process to file charge sheet in the Ruby residency building collapse case has been expedited. In this case, Goa government has given its mandatory consent to file charge sheets against 3 former chief officers of Canacona Municipal Council, namely Deepak Desai, Pradeep Naik and Prashant Shirodkar. A senior police officer of Crime Branch told Prudent that government will also give its consent soon to charge sheet other accused government officials. The senior police officer of Crime Branch also informed that the draft of the charge sheet is almost ready and final checks are on. Process to extradite accused builder Pradeep Singh Beering, who has just been traced in Manchester, England by the Interpol, can only be initiated after filing of the charge sheet. On 4th January this year, one of the buildings of the Ruby residency in Canacona had collapsed, in which 31 labourers had died and many labourers were injured. Another accused builder, Jagdeep Sehgal, is still untraced. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa University students have elected the new council. BJP Students' Council won unopposed. Dasha Dez is the new chairperson of the council, with Tanmay Bakle as the general secretary and Hina Golatkar as the new lady secretary.
I would like to thank everyone for electing me as the chairperson of Goa University Student Council 2014-15. I also congratulate all the other elected members. We have Mr. Tanmay Bakle as the general secretary, the lady member Ms. Hina Golatkar, member Siddesh Satish, member Vasudev Gaude, member Vijay Toraskar, member Keval Naik, member Tendulkar Prabhu, member Gaurav Naik. I would like to extend my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, for encouraging us and supporting us and being such a role model to all the youth of Goa. A special thanks to Mr. Sameer Wandrekar, the President of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Party, and Mr. Sanket Arsikar, the conveners of students of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Party, for helping us throughout. Congratulations and thank all the university faculty representatives for supporting us and making this victory a big, successful one. Thank you.
Students' representatives are elected in all streams at the university and affiliated colleges, and class representatives in turn elect their university faculty representatives. The faculty representatives are then elected to represent each of the streams offered at the university. Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Mapsa municipality has received suggestions and objections on the proposed master plan of the municipal market. A special committee has been appointed to hear people's grievances on the plan. The committee will schedule a hearing with the people who have raised their objections. The meeting will be held after Chavath. Mapsa municipality held its ordinary meeting on Tuesday.
ज्या लोकांनी लेखी सूचना किंवा ऑब्जेक्शन्स फायल केला तांकां पर्सनल हियरिंगा खातीर लेटर वयतले आनी तांकां एक संदी मेळटली येवन तेंच्यांनी आपली बाजू मांडच्या खातीर जे ताणें लेखी दिला ते तेंच्यांनी येवन आपूण स्वता तेच्या बद्दल आनी डिटेल ते मांडू शकता. एक कमिटी फॉर्म करपाची गरज आसली की हे जे हियरिंग्स जे जातले ते हियरिंग्स कंडक्ट करच्या खातीर एक कमिटी आमी फॉर्म केल्या. हियरिंग्स कंडक्ट जातकूच चवथीचे थोडे दीस सोडून आमी एक दीस ठरयतले आनी त्या दिसा ही कमिटी बसतली आनी ह्या लोकांक रितसर तांकां रिटर्न नोटीस वयतली आनी त्या प्रमाणे तांकां आमी आफयतले. तेंचे आमी कितें आतां आयकून घेतले आनी ही कमिटी जे कितें तेंचे सजेशन्स आहा तितूंतले खंयचे सूचना अमलात हाडपाक जाता हे ते एक्सेप्ट करचे रेकमेंडेशन करतले.
The Art and Culture Department has proposed to renovate the Mapsa old building into an IT-enabled district library.
विषय असो आसा की ओल्ड बिल्डिंग हेचें संवर्धन करपाक जाता जाल्यार शक्यतो कित्याक रोड वायडनींग बी म्हटलें म्हणटकूच ती अर्दी बिल्डिंग कट करून वयतली आनी कांय उरचें ना. ही वास्तू तशीच डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चर हेंच्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट केला की डिस्ट्रिक्ट लायब्ररी खातीर तेंच्यांनी पूर्ण इमारत मारल्या.
Reporter Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.